What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm super pumped for today's video, man. We got a setup that I've been waiting for almost 3 months to do, man. So it's a fuel forged order. This setup's taken about 2 to 3 months to build because it's a forged build, right? And you gotta wait in line just like everybody else. But it's gonna be a sweet setup. It's gonna be for a Dodge Ram dually, and that pallet that I've been hiding from everybody, that's the wheels, man. Let's get into the day and we'll show you everything that we're gonna go through. We do have a couple other setups coming through too. I'll show you guys. Let's get in it. Quick video of it. It's gonna get edited out.
We'll sell in.
Very giant. Kind of like he's doing something really shit. He's got a little 2-inch hole in it.
Bring it down.
Sick. This thing's gonna look sweet. It's got some 35, 12.5, 22s. Fuel stripper and keys to fuel forged. Fuck, this is gonna be a sweet setup. Good. Do you mind if we put it on our Facebook page? Hey guys, if you guys need a hand with any fitments, tire guides, and custom builds, come check us out at Calgary Custom Auto Works. We've been here for 5 years. So we got a great selection of different stuff to pick from. But yeah, check out some of the setups we're doing.